Are you gonna do the mohawk buns that you usually do?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 3 like that.
Okay,
One
so like
in
I'm
the middle on
feeling
the top. What about you?
Okay, so I'm gonna like throw it back to 85, you know.
Yeah, 85.
Just have it big and then just have the curls out. Have
I'm
it all
digging
defined.
it.
Yeah.
Show me.
I gotta make sure my hair isn't like dripping, but it has to be damp. I'll take, I don't know, whatever curl cream I'm feeling. I'll just make sure to work it through everything. I'll use this curling one. It's my ride or die, it's my baby, to add some definition to some curls that just need some extra help. All I need now is just some hairspray. Thank you.
Girl, I'm loving
like
this
it?
hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. This moisturizing balm right here, the best. Rub it in my hands. It's like, this is a do or die right here. Really brings it back to life. Now I'm gonna start parting them. And then go in for the gel. In the gel, I focus on the roots more than the ends. Now I'm gonna pick it out. It's my favorite part. I'm gonna lay my edges. Done. What do you think about my edges?
Wait, what? Okay, smooth.
Yeah.
You look good.